Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and my plant of the week is this gorgeous grass. And I love grass in your garden or in your landscape. It just adds something to it. It has such a different look. But this one really has a different look. It's called First Knight Pennisetum, and it is hardy to zone 7. So this is a perennial here. It comes back every year. And what I like the most about it are these dark leaves, and they are huge. They call it the sword leaf. That's the name, First Knight. So I think these are just gorgeous, and these will pop in any landscape that you put these in. I can see them just in front of the house. Anywhere you want to put them, it'll add that extra texture with this big strappy leaf on it, and it just does beautifully here. So come on down and let's see if we can get you a First Knight.